Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made this wig using one pack of braiding hair. You want to go ahead and prep your hair. So before we get into making the wig, I'm going to show you a practical method how I got to make this wig, because different wig styles come with different patterns. So if you're interested in that and you'll be making this wig, then you would want to watch that, or aside that you can skip. So guys, as you can see, I tried using the marker pen on the wig cap, but unfortunately it's not imprinting on the wig cap. So I'm just going to explain it just like this. What you do is, if you want to make the wig, you want to crochet round 1, you go the second time again, round 2, you go the third time again, round 3. Then I begin to take it from this corner to this corner. That's from ear to ear, from ear to ear. I could do that like 4 times or probably 5 times. So after I do ear to ear, I go again round 1, I crochet it round maybe 2 times or 3 times, crocheting it round. Then I go again from ear to ear, ear to ear, ear to ear. Then I go again in circles, but make sure when you're going round, the times you go round should be lesser than the times you go from ear to ear, so that in the front you could achieve like a smaller hair in the front, and then at the back it should be more, and then you should be ending it somewhere here at this point. That's how I always style mine. So I just had to do this explanation just in case you're watching the video, because the hair was really full, but just in case you're watching it and then you're confused. So if you have any more questions, you can drop it down my comment section. So guys, as you can see, the back of the hair is fuller than the front, so this is what your wig should be looking like at this point. And then we want to be coiling this wig using flexi rods. So different ways you coil your hair will give you different coil patterns. So like for this one, I'm rolling it this way because I want to have a bouncy look. If you watch my previous video, which I'll be leaving a picture here, you're going to see that the coil patterns were actually different because I rolled the hair differently. If you haven't watched that video, you can go ahead and click the card so you could see how I coiled the other hair. And also too, if you don't have flexi rods at home, you could actually use the hair rollers. I'm going to be putting a picture here for you guys so you can see. After this, you want to put the hair in hot boiling water, leave it for just 1 minute, and then you allow to air dry for 24 hours, or if you cannot wait, you can use a blow dryer. I actually lost that clip, so that's why I'm actually saying what I did. Point, I went ahead to separate the curls. If you want the hair fuller, then you're going to be separating more of the curls, but if you don't want it fuller, then you just do a little bit of it. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I got to trim the hair, because when it comes to trimming of hair, you need to trim it according to the pattern of your face, the shape of your face. So if you guys want a detailed tutorial on how you can trim coily full hair, then just drop that in my comment section. So I'll be going in and trimming the hair. I'll take out the excess, I'll pull through from the back and then trim. Be careful when trimming, because as you're cutting the hair, once you take it off, it is gone. So if you're watching this video and you've got to this point, you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, give this video thumbs up, drop comments, because that's the only way I'll know, okay, you guys love my content, and then it will help my channel to grow. So just keep watching, because I'm going to be showing you guys a second method on how I got to style this hair. I'll see you somewhere along the video. After trimming, you guys can see it has given the hair a more nicer shape, and then it is well leveled. So this is the first look you could actually rock with this hair. You could just rock it just the way it is. So I'm going to be showing you a second style, how I got to style the hair. So I'm going to be packing the hair using this hairband, and you shouldn't bother about the wig cap showing, because we're going to be using this scarf to cover everything up. So you could tie it just this way, or you could just be creative. You could do any style you want with your scarf, and that's just it. It's just something that is going to suit your face, and you're going to like it at the end of it. Well, this is it guys for this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye for now.